Hey, what's up you guys? If you're going to be towing a trailer with your Mitsubishi Outlander, you're going to need trailer wiring. It's required by the law. So let's go ahead and break down that install for you. You will need the tools seen here to complete your installation. Alright guys, Mitsubishi made this really easy for us. They have a tow-ready plug right behind the passenger side panels right here. So to get to those, let's start by removing this cargo door. Alright, next we're going to remove our storage tray right here. We're going to need to get behind the panels and push up underneath it. And our plug will be located right at the back right here. It's the white plug. All right, now we're going to take our trailer wiring and we're going to run it right behind these panels and we'll go ahead and plug it in. All right, now we're going to go ahead and ground our harness. We're going to use this existing bolt right here and we'll remove it using a 7/16 socket. Now we'll take our ground wire and we'll take that same bolt and put it through the terminal and we'll go ahead and reattach it. All right, now we're going to go ahead and reinstall our storage tray. All right, so you have two options to store your 4-flat wire. You can go ahead and store it behind the panels, behind this cargo door, or you can bring it down towards your hitch. So let's go ahead and show you how to do that. So to get our 4-flat underneath our vehicle, there's a grommet at the bottom of this panel right here. And it's really hard to see, so let's go ahead and get underneath the vehicle and show you it from underneath. All right guys, underneath the vehicle on the passenger side, right along the edge right here, there's the grommet. And we'll go ahead and remove it. And now we'll take our 4-flat and we'll just push it down towards that grommet. All right, now we're gonna need to bring our 4-flat harness towards our receiver on the hitch. Now we're going to need to avoid the exhaust so it doesn't touch it and melt our wires. So we're going to go over it following the bumper and getting to the hitch. And we'll follow the bumper support over the hitch till we get to the mounting plate. All right, now we're going to go ahead and secure our 4-flat harness using a 4-flat mounting bracket. This does not come with the kit, but you can pick it up at your closest U-Haul or on uhaul.com. Our hitch comes with a mounting plate already welded on, so we'll just secure it to that. And we'll tighten it using a 3/8 socket. Now we'll put our dust cover on our 4-flat harness. And then we'll take our harness and put it into the bracket. And now we'll go ahead and secure our extra wires using zip ties. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and reinstall our grommet, but first we're going to need to cut a slit through half of it. And now we're going to reinstall our grommet, putting our wires into the slit. All right, now our wiring still isn't powered up, so let's go to the engine compartment and show you how to hook that up. All right guys, in the engine compartment, we're going to need to hook up our included battery wire. Now, Mitsubishi has already wired right back here behind the driver's side taillight. We have its plug. It may have a cap on it. If it does, you'll need to remove it. Ours does not, so we'll go ahead and plug it in. All right, now we'll need to connect our fuse holder to the positive terminal on the battery. We're going to go ahead and remove this bolt using a 7/16 socket. And now we will attach our ring terminal. And now we'll go ahead and insert our included 10-amp fuse into the fuse holder. And we'll tuck it in behind the battery. All right guys, now that you're all powered up, you're ready to tow a trailer. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions or need more information, you can visit your closest U-Haul Hitch Center, or you can visit us online at uhaulhitches.com.